Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You're going to act fast. First, verify model and battery above 30% and plug the phone into power. If the device is online and tied to your Google account, use Find My Device to erase remotely. That's the least invasive option. If it's offline or unresponsive, prepare for a hardware reset which deletes user data and commonly triggers factory reset protection. Once you understand the data loss risk and FRP possibility, move to recovery mode using the button combination for your Oppo model. You'll now perform the reset step by step. Power the phone off completely, then press the model-specific key combo, typically volume down plus power or volume up plus power, until recovery appears. Use the volume buttons to highlight wipe data or factory reset and press power to confirm. This clears user partitions. Be patient. Once the wipe starts, do not disconnect power or interrupt it. When the wipe finishes, choose Reboot System Now and prepare to proceed with initial setup and account verification. Once the system restarts, follow the setup wizard. If factory reset protection appears, you must sign in with the Google account previously synced to the device. That step prevents unauthorized access. If you cannot recover that account, prepare proof of purchase and contact Oppo support or an authorized repair center for verification-based assistance. If the phone gets stuck in a boot loop or buttons fail, try a known good USB cable and PC, or take the device to service. Attempting advanced tools yourself.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.